Y'all hear that? That's the roof rack. And I'm not on the freeway, y'all. I'm scared to get on the freeway. I'm scared to get on the freeway, y'all. I'm gonna get on and get right back off because I want y'all to hear that sound. Everybody, today is Wednesday. It's been raining all day and I got a really late start because it was raining all day. It was like after 2 or 3 o'clock. I went to my friend's house. I used his ladder. I worked on the van on these roof racks, and this thing is still making noise when I get on the freeway. I don't know why it's making that noise. So I am going to let y'all hear the noise it's making, and I guess because so far I only have 2 up and it's making noise. I don't know which one it is or if it's both of them, but I am going to have to take them down tomorrow again and figure out what's the problem. I don't know if it's my positioning or I don't know what it is, y'all. So anyway, I am headed to KFC. Somebody sent me some money and they wanted me to do the best of the best between Church's Walmart fried chicken and KFC. Well, guess what? KFC, to me, is gonna have the best chicken than Church's. I don't like Church's chicken. Church's chicken is too greasy. Walmart chicken, it's alright. I don't know. all right. KFC original to me is better than the two of them. So I'm headed to KFC to do a best of the best on my other channel, Tasty Mukbang Eats, the best of the best fried chicken out of those three places. Now, I'm not saying KFC is the best chicken out of everybody, because I don't know if KFC chicken is better than everybody. I'm having a hard time figuring out who got the best chicken, y'all. I'm trying to figure out who got the bestest fried chicken. And since I started going to Hart's Chicken and I had their wings, y'all, I'm kind of leaning towards Hart's Chicken for the best of the best of all the chicken places. I don't know, y'all. We gonna have to see about that one. But as of today, y'all, I don't have no. As of today, between KFC, maybe if I narrow it down like that, 3 at a time, that then the last 3 have to have a face-off. Out of KFC, Walmart, and Church's, KFC win. And then maybe I'll need to do out of Popeyes, Hart's, and who else have fried chicken? Out of Popeyes, Hart's, and I don't know who else. I don't know. Out of Popeyes, Hart's. Y'all leave it in the comments bar below. I'm trying to put a little light on for y'all. Out of Popeyes, Hart's, and who else have fried chicken? Popeyes, Hart's. I don't know. I think that's it. KFC, Church's, Walmart. We don't have a Publix down here, y'all. I hear a lot of people talking about Publix, but we do not have a Publix down here. What states have a Publix? Because when I get ready to start visiting states, y'all hear that? See? Y'all hear that? That's the roof rack. And I'm not on the freeway, y'all. I'm scared to get on the freeway. I'm scared to get on the freeway, y'all. I'm going to get on and get right back off because I want y'all to hear that sound. let's ride. So the speed limit is 45. I'm just going 35 right now. And I still here. Where it got a light at, and I might work on this thing tonight. It's drizzling. It look like it's gonna rain. Who else sell? I think we got a Buc-ee's down here. I think Buc-ee's sell chicken. But I don't even know where a Buc-ee's at. Who else had fried chicken? We cannot live with that. I'm gonna take this thing down on this side. I got it positioned where I wanted it, but if that position is not gonna work, then I'm gonna have to move, because I'm gonna end up having a total of 5 roof racks on the van on top. Yeah, I was brushing my teeth, and one of the bristles in a toothbrush got caught in between my teeth and wouldn't come out. The whole thing came out the toothbrush in between my teeth. I was like, oh Lord, don't tell me I'm gonna have to go to the dentist to have a bristle removed. Oh, I kept pulling on it and then it came out. I'm not understanding why this thing is making noise, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm at a stop sign right now, and then I'm going to see, my van is an extended version. Mine is extra long. So I wanted my roof rack to come forward to the front so I could put my solar closer to the front, and like a storage container or something in the back. I didn't want my solar in the back. See, I'm just doing regular driving. This is kind of, well, I don't want to say disappointing because I don't know why it's making that noise, but I took this thing completely down today and put it completely up again. For it to still be doing that. I don't know what else to do. I'm gonna try a couple of more things before I move it from that position because I really want it right there. So I'm gonna try a couple of more things before I move it. I don't know if Costco had fried chicken. I know Costco has some ribs. I think them ribs is kind of expensive. I can only afford like 2 ribs from Costco. I can't afford the whole slab of ribs. Okay, we got to go to KFC. And some chicken. guess I'll get a whole meal. Today is Wednesday. 2 chicken littles and $4. What's chicken littles? What is chicken littles?
Thank you for choosing my KFC.
Oh yes, what are chicken littles?
You said a chicken salad?
Chicken littles?
The small sandwiches?
Okay, that's what that is. Let me see. I want 3-piece chicken nuggets. Let me get the 2-piece combo number 1.
What's your drink?
Do y'all have lemonade?
No, ma'am, not at the moment.
Okay, what about Mountain Dew?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me try that, please.
Not wearing anything else?
That's it.